welcome back. It is hot. We are at the gym waiting for my boy Charged Cat 707 to pull up. Shoot, I was gonna try to get a video earlier, but my GoPro was saying that it was on 0 battery, which that wasn't the case. It lied to me. So I decided to come to the gym. Today's video is gonna be, I might get my boy to drive this car, or we might see what the difference is between a stock hellcat compared to a hellcat that's been modified a little bit. Like I said, I'm still not on E85 yet, so the numbers are not where it's going to be. It's just the first step of the process. Wanted to get to the track last Friday, but Thunder Valley was closed, so everybody was in Tulsa for the streetcar takeover. Hopefully I'll be able to get out there one day. I just don't have enough seat time yet in this car, so I don't want to go out there and embarrass myself. I think I hear him coming. But like I said, I think hopefully this upcoming Friday I will be at Thunder Valley to see what this car is putting down. I'm not gonna go all out on this yet. Like I said, it's still conservative. I don't have a drive shaft yet, so I don't want to be breaking down anything yet. So once I start upgrading the drive shaft and all the supporting mods, then I'll definitely get on it a lot harder. But as of right now, like I said, I definitely don't want to break my car the first time I'm out at the track. But if it happens, it happens. If not, it'll be a happy day. So he's pulling up now. Let me see if I get you. Here he is riding. If you hit my car, I will be owning a white Charger Hellcat. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. But back to it. Nobody cares about that. I'm trying to make a video. But this bang right here, guys, even though it is the girliest color, this is the best bang that I've had so far. So bang, if you're out there and you want to send me and you want to send me, hey, disrespect, if you want to send me, please feel free to drop a comment below. I will take all of them and drink them and share them every time I drink it.
You were drinking that unicorn piss?
Unicorn piss, right? I haven't got a rev video yet because I was in my neighborhood. Let me get that before I head to the gym. All right, stay tuned. Give me 1 second. Let me set it up and I will get a rev video. Yeah, it's pretty loud now. So definitely won't be doing that in my neighborhood because I don't want to get the police called on me. But that's just what the headers, catless mids, and a tune. Not even on E85 yet. So like I said, I'll still get a video of me driving in the car. I haven't done that yet. Get my reaction of it. Maybe get this guy's reaction of the car too.
Shit, way too loud.
He's saying it was way too loud, but it's not meant to be quiet. So. Fun car. Let me get to the gym. I gotta put up these little baby weights, get this weight up, get the summer body 2023. Then we'll be good to go. All right, I'll check back out with you here in a second. Peace. It is hot. Always messing up my video, golly. Hey, there's this little weak Charger here. It's cute. Hey, can I do my video, please? Alright, this thing is crazy loud. I'm about to roll my windows up. Gotta eat some Chinese food for the family. What do you guys think? Is it too loud? Is it something that you can drive with every day? I don't know if I can drive with it every day, but I have to right now. But other than that, it is loud. It has catless mids, so you do get some exhaust fumes, just a little bit though. If it's tuned, the exhaust smell is not too bad. So when I first started driving, I don't want to wreck. When I first got catless mids, I didn't have a tune, and so there was so much exhaust fumes coming into the car. I put them right back on within like 3 days, so that was definitely a waste of money. But in order to go E85, I had to go catless again. But this time, I do have a tune. So like I said, the smell is not crazy bad. You can definitely drive around with your family, little kids, and it won't affect them too bad. So like I said, it's one of those deals where kind of give and take. You want loud, you want to go E85, you got to go catless mids. I don't see any way around it. People that try to go around it end up burning up their cats and throwing codes. So I definitely don't want to do that. So now this is kind of like my reaction drive. With this tune, it's very conservative. It shifts so smooth. I would think it shifts better than stock. You definitely no head jerk or anything. When you get on it, it wakes up. Let me see if I can get on it real quick. And that my whole head snapped back, golly. And that was me spinning the tires. And like I said, I can't go too crazy with it. I don't want to get pulled over. But this thing is crazy fast. My next video hopefully will be comparison between a stock hellcat and my hellcat. Maybe a couple little pulls to see if I actually increased power, which I know I did. The biggest thing now is just getting some grip on these tires. But other than that, so far so good. No engine lights or anything. You can tell everything is still stock. Got my SRT pages. Everything's looking good with all the modifications. So don't worry about if you get tuned or anything. If you're gonna have engine codes or any of that stuff, if it's tuned right, you won't have any of that stuff. So make sure you go to somebody that has a solid reputation and, like I said, knows their stuff when it comes to these Mopars. Luckily, my guy that I went to, Deep Stage Tuning, knows his stuff. I need to get over this car slow playing. That's always fun to do when you got a Hellcat. You don't worry about wasting gas. You don't get this car to save on gas by any means. But like I said, it's just one of those deals where hopefully I get some solid drag racing video this upcoming Friday. So if you're in the Norman, Oklahoma City area, please stop by Thunder Valley. If you want to race me, I'll race you. Why not? I'll definitely, if you want to call me out, show up on Friday and we can make it happen. So for all those cars out there that think that you're faster than my Hellcat, you might be, but let's put it down on video just to make sure you're faster than me. I don't think you are. But like I said, this is one of those deals where if you think you're faster than me, come give me a shot and I'll race you. Other than that, it's chill Sunday. Weather's nice. It's hot. Just got done with that gym workout, so now I'm about to go enjoy the rest of my Sunday after I go get this Chinese food, and then that's really about it. So like always, if you are in the Oklahoma City area, if you want to hang out, if you want to do a vlog with me, if you want to check out the car, if you want to race, come on car, I'm making a video here, Jesus. If you want to race or anything, please comment below. I love to meet new people, new friends. Always click that subscribe button, click that like, click that bell, so every time I do drop a video, you are notified. Definitely, this channel is growing, so don't hop on it too late. Like I said before in all my other videos, I don't do clickbait. Anything and everything I do to this car is for real. I'm not gonna put on a fake little thumbnail for you just for you to click on it. This car, the thumbnail on this one's gonna be probably showing my car or something. It's gonna say too loud or some other nonsense. But this car is extremely loud. If you want to hear it in person, please holler at me and we can meet up. If you have a fast car, and you want to talk about it on my channel, like I said, I'll always just comment below and we can make it happen. Other than that, you guys have a lovely Sunday. We'll see you guys here soon. We'll get a video hopefully up in the next couple days. If I have anything interesting before that to share with you guys, I'll definitely get one up. What do you guys want to see? I'm trying to get that breakthrough video that puts me over 1,000 views. So comment below on what you guys want to see in my videos so we can go and make that happen. This is an Oklahoma City vlog. So all you Oklahoma City people, like I said, if you guys are around, holler at me. We can make it happen. Let's all grow together. Nobody left behind. And I got a license plate coming that I think it's hilarious. I think it's my friends hate it. I'm gonna make a shirt with it on it. So stay tuned for whenever my license plate comes in. I'll do a video on that and get my reactions of my friends. Like I said, I think it's hilarious. To me, it's a double meaning, but for me, it means totally different than what it looks like. But stay tuned for that video. As like I said, when I made it, I was cracking up. So now I'm really gonna end the video. You guys have a good week. Stay safe. Comment below, subscribe, click that bell. Talk to you soon. Peace.